Do you ever get spasms in your neck that make it hard to turn your head without pain? Sometimes I do, and as a physical therapist, there are stretches and exercises that I do to help relieve some of the tension. And there are some other techniques that I really find valuable to get over those spasms that happen because of bad habits and poor posture. Actually, one technique that I've been doing recently has been very effective. Surprisingly effective, really, in decreasing the spasms and neck pain that I've been experiencing from just poor habits and poor posture. So if that sounds interesting to you, or if you just want to get rid of your neck pain, let me know by giving this video a like below and consider subscribing to the channel if you found this video to be helpful. This is a contract relax technique and it works really great for muscle spasms in the neck. I'm going to show you how to do it slowly so you can follow along if you'd like. So the first thing we're going to be doing is sitting up nice and tall, and what our goal is to get this shoulder up towards the ear, but we're going to do this very slowly in about 20 to 30 seconds time. So if we do this together, we're going to raise our shoulders. I'm working on this side right here, and it is slowly raising up towards my ear. Make sure that you keep breathing as you continue to elevate your shoulder nice and slowly in a controlled manner. We're trying to aim for about 20 to 30 seconds for a very controlled contraction. You can see there it's elevating and getting near the end range. And once it gets to that end range there, what we're going to do is hold that in about 3 to 5 seconds. We're going to hold this end range, and we're going to try to hold that for about 20 seconds. So I'm here at my end range. I want to hold that position and just continue to breathe in and out. If it starts to spasm or it's uncomfortable, of course, you can get out of that position by lowering your arm down. This is not really a stretch. This is just a contract, relax technique. So we've contracted this muscle for about 20 seconds. We're going to slowly lower that back down, but in the same way that we brought it up, we want it to go back down nice and controlled and slowly over about 20 seconds. And eventually it'll get back to that position where it's level with the other side. But right now we're just trying to control, because if we can control this muscle, then we can learn how to get out of those spasms just without stretching, because all we've done here is contracted that muscle to the end range, held that for a little bit, and that's the name of this technique, just contract and relax. And here we are back at about the lowest level. It took about 20 to 30 seconds, and what you can do right here is just relax completely and give a little shoulder squeeze behind. And so our goal here is to really relax some of those muscles of the upper trapezius, the levator scapulae, all of those muscles that help to elevate the scapula and to make that shoulder elevate. The contract relax technique can be a really great way to help relax that muscle. So you can do this 2 to 3 times a day. Helps promote relaxation of those tight muscles in the neck to decrease spasming. And if you want more videos to address those posture issues that are probably causing this issue in the first place, check out the video that I'll link to in the description. Hey, I enjoyed making these videos for you guys. I hope you like the format. Let me know by giving this video a like, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more of these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.